Point 2, grain.
Wait, did you say green or grain?
Grain.
Oh.
Make sure I'm pointing in the right direction. Point 2, clarinet. And notice I am not looking at the one that you ought to point to.
Okay.
I'm just looking at the
see what
page
I
so I
do.
can see what you do.
Okay.
If I start looking at the one I want you to point to, I give you a clue to point to that.
Got it.
Point 2, tropical. Point 2, adjustable. Point 2, pelvis. Point 2, harvesting. Point 2, parallel. Point 2, triplets. Why I'm erasing, which I would not tell you if
this was real.
this was real, because I circled the wrong answer.
Okay.
Point 2, canine. Point 2, applauding. Point 2, thermos. Point 2, hinge. Point 2, kiosk. You want to pause it and then keep going for a while.
Okay. Precipice.
Precipice.
I'll say number 2.
Copious.
Number 2.
Pachyderm.
Number 2.
Isthmus.
Number 3.
Nidificating.
Nidificating? What does nidificating mean? Okay,
Make
let's
your
see.
best guess.
Nidificating. Number 3.
Laciniated.
Laciniated? I don't know what any of these words mean. Okay, laciniated. Laciniated. Listen. I wish you could tell me if it was like L-I-S or L-I-C. Laciniated. I'm going to go with number, this is so, I feel like embarrassed now. Okay. Laciniated. Number 4.
Succulent.
Number 2.
Quiescent.
Quiescent. Number 3.
Gable.
Number 3.
Perambulating.
Perambulating. Like parameter. ambulating, like walking. I'll say number 2.
I like how you're really looking at all of your choices.
Thank you.
Conflagration.
What?
Conflagration.
Conflagration. Conflagration. Number 4.
Lacrimation.
Lacrimation. Number 2.
And just so you know, your this is not something I would tell a student that I'm
Right.
working with, but since you're studying
Uh-huh.
this, the ceiling for this is 6 consecutive incorrect.
Okay.
So the basal is only 3
Okay.
correct, and the ceiling is 6 incorrect in a row.
Okay.
So if you don't know a bunch of them, and I just keep going, that means you got some of the ones right.
Okay. Got it.
Because I keep going. So sometimes the kids get very frustrated because they keep not knowing what the words are, and I keep asking them other words they don't know what
Okay.
they are. But you have to keep going until you get 6
In a row.
in a row.
Okay.
And sometimes kids choose the correct answer just by a guess.
Okay.
That happens sometimes.
Okay.
And so sometimes you have to keep going longer.
Okay.
We are on number 238.
All right.
Creel.
Creole. I have a vase. I have a thing that you wear, like a satchel that you put fish in after you go fishing. I have a colander, and I have a canteen. Creole. Number 1. Don't know.
Spinet.
Spinet. Number 2.
Pedagogue.
Okay. Number 1.
All right. You made it all the way to the end of the test. I would not tell a person that I'm testing this.
Okay.
I would say, fantastic job. You are all done. You worked really, really hard.
Okay.
And you get a prize because you have really been working
Do
your
you have
brain.
a prize box?
I do have a prize box.
I'm so excited. I don't really want to take your prize, but if you have a prize box, I would like to see it.
I absolutely do.
That is so cool.
In this prize box, we have fun pencils. We've got snap bracelets. Some of these pencils turn colors if you get them warm.
Cool. Your prize box is
pink.
awesome.
Some heart erasers, some animal erasers, some magnets.
Nice.
Choose anything.
Do I
you would
really
like.
get to
You
pick
do.
one? Oh, okay. I want a pencil that changes colors.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You got it.
This is amazing.
It changes the color of the eraser.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Awesome job.
Okay.
Now, if you want to have